So you have 14,000 from Richard and wife. 14,000 from Richard and wife. Count it. Oh God, watch my boy run so with the mango. Jesus Christ. What make you go on some man?
Where's somebody name?
Richard and wife. Put in an order and a contact her. You see me? She have a life to live as well, so you know, she have a lot of responsibility. So if you can encourage the labor, it's good. One thing, 20, every time.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Yeah, blessings and give thanks. Do I, fabulous brothers, see it again, them do it again, have it again. Holy for blessings and holy for thanks. So, quick order enough people. Less than 3 days. Less than 3 days. The order complete. Fabulous brothers, cause last time, you know, a couple of people call and ask about it, you know, cause them say the genuine thing one of them.
I give thanks because we get back feedback after you giving it.
Yeah.
And trust me, I really appreciate it. That's why I always try to reach out.
Yeah.
Always.
Yeah man, for the cause. Yeah man, well appreciate man. But nah, like, it's a good look. Cause I like the service, quick and fast, rapid. So if anybody have an emergency, it's in for windows, no, so now for wait, not take time or so. So if I give thanks to Fabulous Brothers, I mean, I tell him my information again. So you know,
Fabulous Brothers, number 412-8500. And it's Abigail Road, St. Thomas. St. Thomas.
So repeat the number again.
412-8500.
Yeah.
Abigail Road, Portmont in St. Thomas.
Yeah. So as I say, people you can call and support, you know, because they do a lot as well to for people in TrenchTown. As you can see with Natisha, and know this window now is for Willie Bob. You see me, and I tell them, trust me, they won't let me down. Genuine. Everything is genuine. Do I big up yourself? Yeah, in general, much respect. You see me, because we like it. Yeah? Oh man, many blessings and many thanks, yeah? God bless you all. Straight. And don't move.
Good afternoon, Donna. Pick up on yourself again. This is Stacy.
Stacy is here.
Yeah.
And look how Angela eating mango. She feels. I eat mango. Stacy. How is everything? Eat it.
Just go and hold it, you know, everything, you know.
Go and fight the fight.
Yeah, man.
Almighty now give you more than we can bear, right?
Yeah, man.
So I know you always a pray that's go and chant for you.
Yeah, man.
Everything will be alright.
Yeah, man.
Yeah? So don't worry yourself. Everything will be alright. Everything will definitely be alright. So just go and hold the faith same way.
Yeah, man.
And just continue the good work. Because I'm telling you now, Father God now give up on nobody.
Yes,
Once they give up on themselves. So cheers. Now hold the tool and you know, I don't know say from what them to come check him and get a chance to show the work out there put in.
Oh.
So you know the work busy already. So the boy himself for the mango. Jesus Christ. Look, chips. The man be himself
What
with
beer
them.
the mark, man?
Yeah, beat them off.
Yeah, man.
Yes, alright then. I'm gonna make you start him out. I have some donation for you. You can help out yourself for the time being. Yeah. You're there putting some lot of work here.
Yeah,
So I just want you to just keep your head up,
yeah.
keep the faith, and keep praying. You understand? Because everything will be alright. Once you believe, it will be alright. Believe kill and believe cure. So it's how you believe in life. Yeah? So I have a donation for you from Dana, from Queens. $3,000 from Dana from Queens.
Dana from Queen, big up yourself and God will bless you. Now left your food basket empty. Big up the donation them. I don't know no name, but big up Pablo, big up yourself on this street. Big up the dream team them. Big up Jin Jin, big up Natisha, big up Auntie Lico, big up Bibi and Carl, big up Ali, big up the whole crew, Marvin, the big chef. 2 chefs there in here, you know. Ali and Marvin and Gardos.
Wow chef. Wow chef. Wow chef your name.
Wow chef no mean.
Yeah.
And I say so when them put the food donation, I tell her like more run with the pot.
Alright. So we need a donation from Dr. K from the USA. $3,000 from Dr. K.
Dr. K, big up yourself, and in store, what God will have in store for you, your cup will go run over, and him not going to leave your food basket empty. Bless up yourself, and in the future, see us with a like, for no one and uno, in the future.
So you have 14,000 from Richard and wife. 14,000 from Richard and wife. Count it. God, watch my boy run and say with the mango. Jesus Christ. What make you go on some man?
Where somebody name?
Richard and wife.
Richard and wife, big up yourself, and want you go on your knee and see that Daddy Jesus, and Him is the key of everything, and don't give up. We still depend it, depend the warlord, don't give up. Yeah, big up on yourself, straight. Big up Auntie Rico. Big up Natty Bleed, the one where I make a dance and I say, when name?
Cry laugh.
Cry laugh. Big up Wormy. Big up on yourself. Big up Dada. When name you yourself? Coxman. Big up Coxman Street. Big up on yourself straight. You see, on the dream team, you do a marvelous thing in TrenchTown. That's why people rate to me. Jesus, break every chain, break every chain, break every chain. God, you look bad. What beard you have?
Oh, your mango up, sir, boy.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. You all here I eat mango. Everywhere I eat mango.
Go wash your hands.
We'll be them off ships, alright, then I go make you go sort him out.
Yeah.
So we can continue the journey.
Yeah, man. Big
Yeah.
up on yourself. Again, donation. See us still a prayer for you, you know. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself and big up the dream team. Big up Pablo. Big up yourself straight, man. Bless up yourself. Yeah, Pablo.
Yeah.
This I come from Stacy and yeah, New Testament Church of God.
Alright then, so blessings and give thanks to our donors.
Yeah.
We reach out to Stacy aka Chips, what we call her, you know. So Chips just go and continue the fight the fight, never give up the fight, yeah?
Yeah, me I try.
You know, Father God now give more than we can bear, so just put on the boxing gloves there and fight, you know, just never stop fight.
Yeah, man.
You know, just fight for what's right, yeah? Alright, then let's up. Who's this? Abigail. Look, wow. Come Abigail. Half a video. Where say I give touchdown.
Yeah.
Wow. See the people. Abigail stick to her word. So where it say? Dream team. One team. Abigail. Say business up and running, man.
So you like
So yeah, of course. So see the people. And you can support Abigail on her journey. See they're well designed. Put it out for me now, please. Let them see it. Abigail business is up. Mine is exclusive. So this is my gift from Abigail. Thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome.
You know. Thank you so much. And it's a dream team. Wow. I'm highly blessed. Can't change. So it's a one team. Alright.
Dream team.
Dream team. Abigail, that's my gift from Abigail people. So see this. So this is it. You can put it in order and you can link me. And you can link up for Abigail. Abigail, tell them your number. So you know them can contact you if they want to put in them order.
Alright, my WhatsApp number is 486-8662 and my calling number is 796-8609. You can get me anytime.
Yeah.
Always available.
So repeat it again.
486-8662. That's my WhatsApp number. My calling number is 796-8609.
So don't forget to put the 1876
Yes.
before the number. And you can call her and support her, you know. I remember, you know, she still there fight the fight, see me. She look after 9 kids. Is it 9, right?
Yeah.
9 kids, I know.
Me met 9.
She met 9. She there fight the journey, see me, you know. I continue and I love you can support her on her design, her jewelry thing what she go on with, so you can put it in an order and you know it arrive in no time.
Yeah.
So Abigail, until then. Thank
Thank
you.
you very
Go
much
put
for
it
the
on
support.
right now. Dream
Thank
team.
you very much for the support, Kino.
No
You know,
problem.
I'm there with more.
Alright, they will definitely
the
get more.
blessings.
Alright,
Alright.
give thanks. See there? Dream team up here. She said it look good. Come up here, let me show them it. See there? Dream team. Real team. Support Abigail. You
Yeah.
see me, she do it in the scheme. I will look good.
Looking
Me nah
good.
lie,
Yeah,
me
we
like
not
it.
lie. We like it too.
Boy. Whoa, dream team. Mwah. So now wear it there out of a goal. Dream team all the time.
Yeah.
Thank you, Abigail.
No problem, man.
Happy. Where's the boom? It a go on. So people don't put it in the order and the contact her. You see me? She have a life to live as well too, you know, she have a lot of responsibility. So when you can, you know, encourage the labor, it's good. One thing. Dream team. Every time.
In order to make things better, I think each and every one of us to make it better.
Each one teach one.
Respect.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Ready?
See, based on now the lockdown, it saved. Like what Bajo would say, it saved less dance and it saved more life. Cause every holiday you hear say somebody drown a sea, a river, or whatsoever. So it good when them lock it down and less people sick them time there.
Do you think it's less crime happen over the 3 lockdown weekend?
Yeah, it kind of slow down. Of course, it kind of slow down because the man them will fire the pipe, them now want to come a door. So them have to go lock down with them, whosoever them are locked down with and that's so it's it. You see me I say?
So it's working for you?
Yeah, it's working for me because when I found on this team, because I'm an employee at the National Water Commission, you know. So when I left commission, I joined this team and do the work. So it's best for me when them say lockdown, we just stay inside. But when my team is out here working, we just do the work. Definitely.
I respect it. We notice when I do more than one housing and then take the
The table out there.
The table with that.
Have a seat.
Stay up there for my front part.
Brown paint on it.
Smiley.
I look on the glorious mountain. So I rest my case.
Yes, I will bring a gun in. I'll ship it them so I go.
Ship it.
Yeah.
Ship it to the right.
Yeah.
Ship it to the right. Alright.
I don't know
Thing grass.
Oh.
Go on, ship it to the left. Yeah. Yeah.
Right. Fabulous windows, man. It's about a genuine. Fabulous brothers are
We
going.
deal with it up to the time.
Up to the time.
So fucking on the start, you know. Anything we do, we are fully loaded.
Yeah.
Representation, you know. Dream within. That's it. A lot of things I dream about stuff will come to reality.
Yeah.
So I hit this, you know.
Yeah.
The picture they say, I don't know, Willie Bobs, real sweet, sleep, look come on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, up.
Yeah, man. I like them windows still with Fabulous
Oh,
brothers.
yeah, say man, man, the thing sturdy, man. Fabulous brother, you don't know, you know. Your thing large, you know, well solid, you know, to perfection. I will love that.
Sure.
So, you know, say, anything on our order in a windows. Look at the back.
Check Fabulous brothers.
Fabulous brothers.
Yeah.
Up to the time.
So you have-
thing solid.
Either viewers or donors.
Yeah.
Anything in order in our windows?
Yeah, fabulous brother. Them is a part of the dream, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know, so them is a part of the dream, so we're gonna make it work. Each one, as I said, support one.
Yeah.
That we are the right now, so. Fabulous brother, the dream team. Windows, man.
Yeah.
And the deal with door also, French doors.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so it's all across the board, so support the thing.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Smile.
Smiley. Them said you must continue to smile. Gotta smile right up the program. Yeah. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Yeah. Hard working life fast. Hard working life fast. Hold them Jella. I have multi-talented Joe. Joe with the brightest smile. Things recently small and look brighter.
Yeah, I'm going to hold up the corner.
Yeah, this them out this inside our house, man. We work all outside, you know. Side things,
I'm just my trouble.
Alright, painter, hold them, painter, hold them. Yeah, I like that color.
work on a car, my yo, anything that I say.
That's how it goes. Contact, come in. Let's go shout out to one of them for the ladies then.
Wrong tree.
Partner in crime. Yeah. Prefect, what on the prefect? What on prefect? You have the partner in crime. Yeah. Brothers in arm. See it there. So that is from, we have a drink from J-Del from Canada. So that's J-Del from Canada. You see, baby, a teeth on there?
Yeah, J-Del.
J-Del. So baby, the glad sugar have another youth. Yeah, then. So J-Del from Canada, baby, I got steal a name then.
Yeah man, J-Del from Canada. Love and respect and many thanks. As you can see, we're there on the journey same way. I did the marathon, Willie Bobs. We give him a new look and a fresh look, and a new beginning. And as we say, partner in crime, one fish, Bramovish. Make them know what I want.
J-Del, big up yourself, you know.
Canada.
From Canada. Only for respect and love, you know. Because if I never know, the work would not do, you know, but they don't know. Big up.
Yeah man. All donors, love and respect, you know, because I tell you, say, you know, to keep the torch burning, you know. On the island, you know. You understand? We are just a lantern. You understand? But I keep the flames burning. And as I say, thanks for the support from day one until this time. I reach out to the people that really need the support and need the strength, because I see them getting neglected and nobody now look upon them and them things lost and forgotten. But Dream Team found them back, you understand? So that's the love and appreciation. There's enough love and enough thanks. You know?
Words, give thanks. So bless up yourself, J-Del from Canada.
J-Del from Canada, bless up yourself, you know. Only for love and respect.
Yeah man, the journey continues.
One fish.
One fish. You see me? One fish. You say where me hold a brush? Where me hold a brush? Oh, straight. Hold on. Like I'm gonna pass it 1 second. So where me are going with? Before I mark the wrong line.
Yo, Peter, come here. Let's have
yeah, mix up the whole like one time, that's a little portion. Fast.
Let's not apply that thing.
Yo, that door is still in the same.
Yeah, I know. Never let me go glass.
Bring it back and done, you understand? No, cause like them make the cement them so get wet. So it don't make no sense.
Them get wet.
There's one cement that's open and it wet up. So we just take this and done. There's one more left.
It's nice. Yeah man, I tell you, mixed up and stuff.
You are mixed up.
This cement in a packet. Get the thing going.
Whoa. See there? Whoa, chef.
Yeah, man, in the kitchen now, because Zaga there today, you know?
Yeah.
So I make a circle, you know?
Zaga, I make a walk.
Yeah, so we just go, you know?
Prepare the meal.
Yeah.
Fix the fish.
Bashment, and we can show you it, you know?
Yeah, because you don't know, who again? Warren, aka Bounty.
Warren, aka Bounty, only for respect.
From Asden.
Boy, the meal I put on all different type of meal and all different type of meat kind,
yeah.
For spooky, you know?
Oh, it's a spaghetti?
Yeah, man say tasty, you know? Spikes are wicked, you know?
Jeez. Italian spikes, we
have the 3 different colors we have in spaghetti, you know? We have green and we have orange and we have, you know? Another color.
Another color.
Yeah, man, see that?
So the spaghetti will go up on the side.
I think, you know. Yeah, man say tasty, you know? Because man need to look at it. But,
yeah, shit.
Yeah, man, straight, you know?
So that's Warren.
Warren, you see Warren? No, love and respect, you know, Warren.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, nobody watch it, you know? Yeah, man.
Watch the colors then.
Yeah, man, look at cheese, you know?
Yes. And where is one of the big pot, you know? Oh.
Yeah, man, Warren, you know?
Dumpling.
Yeah, man, dumpling with lots of banana.
Lots of banana.
Yeah, man, so we're coming here.
See the
master the vermin.
Lots of banana.
Yeah, man, see that?
See this, we have the dumpling.
No. Yeah, no dumpling and lots of banana. You see, that's Warren. Warren. Yeah, no, Warren's time. Laugh all the while. General, you know, Warren.
Yeah.
Respect, you know?
AKA Bounty.
AKA Bounty Warren, you
from
know?
Austin, London.
London, New York, you know, from London, anywhere in London, Chelsea.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Lampard.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yo, pick up in a Warren. Bounty.
Yeah. You got yourself Warren to provide the meal for the dream team.
Watch a little slice on the side to you.
Yeah.
Pasta.
So we have him just show the pasta.
Yeah, man. I just this one, you know?
Yeah, so I'll show the fish now.
Yeah, because you might go find that one day.
Yeah, also, where me give you strength today in the shop.
Having kind of big coat.
Zaga zao.
Curry.
See there now, curry. And them call them steppers.
Steppers, well, sweet.
Curry steppers.
Sweet for them.
See them, man. Big up yourself, Warren. See the curry
Warren.
steppers.
Yeah, man. Team love. Warren, team love what you're doing now.
Yeah.
Like I say, we're up on the work, you know, food after food first. You know. We'll give thanks. Bless up Warren, my general. AKA Bounty, bless up in our love, you know.
Yeah.
Don't know, one team, you know.
Yeah, man, Warren from
Yeah, man, Warren, I don't want to show the team. Yeah, man, Warren, man.
curry steppers.
Look on the steppers, them.
Chicken foot, them call steppers, people. See that?
Watch your steam. Warren, watch it. With the butter bread bean in it, we say. Watch it.
Oh, bread bean.
Yeah,
See the carrots.
See the massive.
It smells good.
Yeah, man, I red, gold, and green do it same way.
Yeah, man, same.
Yeah, man, the carrot, see the carrot, you see? Yeah, man.
So I see the curry gold.
Yeah, man, everything I tell you, man, you see now Irish night, you see me I say that. Warren.
Nice.
Curry steppers.
Yeah, man,
curry
boy.
chicken foot, aka steppers.
4 steppers, you know what you they call it 5 finger, you know? You tell you, man, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Warren.
Right.
Love and respect, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, for the meal, for the youth, them, you know? Yeah, man.
Really, yeah, man.
You know?
Curry steppers and dumpling. And pasta on the side.
Pasta, you know, I say, Yeah.
The pasta on the side. With the pasta, and you have the dumpling.
Banana.
And the wow fish. The wow slices.
Yeah, that's garlic, you know, that's garlic. That's it, the broad bean. You know, that's
So say a broad bean and okra.
so, red, gold and green, no. You go on. Okra gets case, you know.
Yeah.
Chicken maca gets case, okra gets case. I remember go look up and you get no okra. Replace the broad bean with it, you know. A lot of carrot and scallion and thyme and onion and, you know. Yes, man.
See, there's a
Proper.
So big up yourself, Warren, aka Bounty from ours and
Warren, big up yourself, aka Bounty, you know, from London, you know. Straight, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, London, then I'm like New York, you know.
Whoa.
New York, twice, you know.
Not once.
Yeah, man, Toronto. Yeah, man, Finland, you know. Yeah, man.
With the thing land, with the Finland land, you know.
If Finland, you play in England, or anywhere land, you know, you know. Live in Toronto.
There.
Yeah, man.
Whoa, shit.
They're on the ground, you know, I remember they're on the ground, so.
Yeah.
Holy for love, you know, Warren. One team, you know, Warren. Dream team, one team.
Alright then.
Yeah, man, Warren.
Whoa.
You see, nobody watch you can't do print out, man, they have a lot, you know. Yeah,
And white on the rice. Yeah, we like it, right?
Yeah.
The white one for graph, man, you know.
Yeah, we like it.
Yeah, man, Warren. New York! Now they put New York, you know.
Film place, that, you know, twice. New York, twice. Wow, chef. You're not on the ice today because I'm sort of freeze.
Ice. Later on, the gym video, never see the ice, man. Proper ice, you know. Yeah, man, get it proper, you know.
Alright then.
Yeah, man, enough love, you know. Warren. London.
Give thanks.
Yeah, man, enough love, you know. You see me, I say. What they call it, Dream team, one team.
Up.
Up and running.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.